Hello children, we shall discuss add a question tag, this topic. First we shall see what is a question tag. A question tag is a short stylistic question used at the end of imperative and assertive sentence for confirmation. I will repeat once again. A question tag is short stylistic question. It is short, isn't it? Haven't it? Short stylistic question used for confirmation. I'll repeat once again. It is a short stylistic question used for confirmation at the end of only imperative and assertive sentences. Children, in exam they give a sentence and what instruction is given? Add a tail tag or add a question tag. So children, first we have to write that given sentence as it is. Listen once again please. We have to write given sentence as it is. At the place of full stop we should not forget to give a comma, then question tag, and at the end don't forget to give a question mark. The general rule is if the given sentence is positive, the tag becomes negative, and if the given sentence is negative, tag becomes a positive. Let us take some of the examples. See, for example, we are imperfect human beings. Children, this is an assertive type of sentence. We have to write the given sentence as it is. See, we are imperfect human beings. Here comma is given. Don't forget to give a comma. Then for question tag, three things are needed. I will repeat once again children. For adding a question tag, three things are needed. For a noun, use pronoun. Here we they have given, so we itself is the pronoun, no problem. If the given sentence is affirmative, tag should be negative. And we have to use helping verb of the tense of the given sentence. Here already are is an auxiliary, that is a helping verb. So children, we are imperfect human beings, comma, aren't we? Children, NOT should be written as N''T always in a question tag. Let us take second example. Love gives us strength. See children, we have to write the given sentence as it is. Love gives us strength. At the place of full stop, we should give a comma. Second requirement. Then for a subject, for a noun, we have to use pronoun. Love, for love, it, this particular pronoun has been given, has been used. Now see, second requirement, if the sentence is affirmative, tag should be negative. And now very important thing is we have to use an auxiliary, means an helping verb of the tense of given sentence. Love gives us strength. The given sentence is in simple present tense because love is a subject, gives is a verb, and yes suffix is added because it is simple present tense sentence, and love, this is the third person singular. If the tense is simple present, we have to use do or does. I will repeat children once again. For simple present tense, we have to use either do or does. And we know children, does should be used if the subject is third person singular, that is he, she, it. These are third person singular subjects. So see here, love gives us strength, doesn't it? We should not forget to give a question mark. Let us take example number 3. Be open in your communication. This is an imperative sentence. Earlier two examples are assertive type of sentence. Children, assertive type of sentence, in assertive type of sentence, mostly subject takes the first place, then verb, then rest of the words and full stop. I'll repeat once again. In assertive type of sentence, subject, verb, other words and full stop. This type of structure we come across in assertive type of sentence. Second is imperative type of sentence. Most probably an imperative sentence begins with main verb, ends with full stop. And we know in imperative sentence, order is given, request is made, advice, suggestions are expressed. See here, be open in your communication. Before the word be, there is no subject like I, we, you, he, she, it or any name. So this is an imperative sentence. Be open in your communication. And for imperative sentence, mostly will you or won't you question tag is used. I will repeat once again, children. For imperative sentence, mostly will you or won't you, this particular question tag is used. So see children, be open in your communication. At the place of full stop, comma is given. Will you? Let us take example number 4. Express your feelings. Children, once again, express is a verb, and before that verb, subject is not given. And express your feelings, a particular advice has been given. So this is also an imperative sentence. I'll repeat once again. Example number 4 is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence because it begins with main verb and ends with full stop. So see, express your feelings, comma, will you. Very simple children. Imperative sentence most probably begins with main verb, ends with full stop. And in imperative type of sentence, order is given, command is given, advice is given, suggestion is made. And in imperative sentence, for imperative sentence, we have to use will you or won't you. So express your feelings, will you. Example number next 5. Never give up. Never give up. Here also there is no verb, there is no subject before the word never. And never give up, this is also suggestion. So this is also an imperative sentence. Never give up. See, we have tried the sentence as it is, comma, imperative sentence. So will you. Next example. Example number 6. Otto, subject, brought out another notebook. Otto brought out another notebook. See children, this is an assertive type of sentence because Otto is a subject, brought is a verb, brought out, rest of the words and full stop. Given sentence is assertive type. See children, we have tried given sentence as it is. Otto brought out another notebook. Written. Second requirement, at the place of full stop, give a comma. Comma is given. Then once again I will repeat children. For adding a question tag, 3 things are needed. What is the first thing? For a noun, use pronoun. For adding a question tag, 3 things are needed. Number 1, for adding for a noun, use pronoun. Otto, it is a subject, it is a doer of action, it is a masculine subject, so he has been used. For noun, use pronoun. Second requirement children, if the sentence is positive, tag should be negative. If the sentence is negative, tag should be positive. Exceptions are there. See children, Otto brought out another notebook. This is affirmative sentence, so tag should be negative. N apostrophe T has been used. And third most important requirement is we have to use an auxiliary, means helping verb of the tense of given sentence. So see children, here Otto subject, brought is a second form of verb. Subject plus second form of verb, this is a structure of simple past tense. Yes plus V2. Subject plus second form of verb means simple past tense, so did. For simple past tense we have to use did. So children, Otto brought out another notebook, didn't he? I hope you are getting it. Let us take next examples. Example number 7 children. See, he wasn't complaining. He wasn't complaining. Already they have given pronoun, we have used it. The given sentence is negative, N apostrophe T is given, tag should be positive, and was itself is an auxiliary. Was itself is an auxiliary. So he wasn't complaining, was he? Next example, it is a delicious moment to myself. This is also an assertive type of sentence because subject, verb, other words, full stop, this type of structure we come across. It is a delicious moment to myself. It itself is a pronoun, no problem, it has been used. Getting me, children? It is a delicious moment to myself. It is an affirmative type of sentence. Tag should be negative, N apostrophe T. Then we have to use auxiliary of given tense of the sentence. See, it is itself is an auxiliary. So children, it is a delicious moment to myself, comma, isn't it? I hope you are getting it. Example number 9. It is a new beginning for us to. It is a new beginning for us to. Type of sentence, assertive. It is a pronoun. It is used. It is a new beginning. There is no negative word like no, not, never. The sentence is affirmative. Tag should be negative. And in this also example also, is an auxiliary, that is a helping verb. So children, it is a new beginning for us, comma, isn't it? Example number 10. It is getting late. It is also assertive type of sentence. It pronoun, so pronoun remains as it is. Positive sentence, N apostrophe T, negative. And is itself is an auxiliary. So it is getting late, isn't it? So children, we have discussed 10 examples, and after discussing these 10 examples, it is clear that most probably in a given sentence we come across auxiliary verb, helping verb, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, etc. If these auxiliaries, am, is, are, was, were, shall, will, have, has, can, could, may, might, if these auxiliaries are not given, we have to use either did or do or does. For simple present tense we have to use do or does, and for simple past tense we have to use did. Getting me, children? Let us take next example. Example number 11. Kantabai is the president of the Nalanda Bachat Gat. See children, Kantabai, it is a subject. For noun we have to use a pronoun, so C pronoun has been used. For noun, use a pronoun. The given sentence is affirmative. What is affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence is a sentence in which no, not, never words are not used. No, not, never words are not used. And if these words are used, it is called as negative sentence, because through the words no, not, never, negation, negativity is expressed. What I want to tell you, children, example number 9 is an affirmative sentence, so tag should be negative, and already is itself is an auxiliary. So Kantabai is the president of the Nalanda Bachat Gat, isn't C. Next example, I am very proud of you. I am very proud of you. I itself is a pronoun, so there is no problem at all to use noun, use pronoun for noun. I am very proud of you, affirmative, so tag should be negative. But children, for am structure use aren't. For am structure use aren't. Am plus not becomes aren't. I will repeat once again. Am plus not becomes aren't. So I am very proud of you, aren't I? I am happy, aren't I? Getting me, children? Am plus not aren't. Getting me, children? Just see next examples. Example number 13. See children, He had sold 7 telephone systems. No doubt this is once again assertive type of example. He itself is a pronoun, it remains he as it is. Given sentence is affirmative because the given sentence does not contain the words like no, not, never. So it should be negative. And in given sentence, had itself is an auxiliary. So children, he had sold 7 telephone systems, comma, hadn't he. Example number 14, he had taught history. Affirmative type of example, assertive type of sentence. He had taught history. Pronoun he remains she only. Affirmative sentence negative, and had itself is an auxiliary. So he taught history. Hadn't he is a question tag. Example number 15, banana is low in sodium. Banana is low in sodium. See children, banana is a subject, it is a noun. For noun use pronoun, we have to use it. For banana we have to use it as a pronoun. Second children, the given sentence is affirmative, tag should be negative. And third requirement, use auxiliary of the given sentence. Already is auxiliary, so isn't it. I will repeat once again. For adding a question tag, 3 things are needed. For noun, use pronoun. For noun, use pronoun. If the sentence is affirmative, tag should be negative. If the sentence is negative, tag should be affirmative. And third requirement is use helping verb, that is auxiliary of the tense of given sentence. Tense of given sentence. See children, next example. There are many points that make the banana a healthy option. Once again, this is assertive sentence. Sentence is written as it is. At the place of full stop, comma is given. There are many points that make the banana a healthy option. See children, affirmative, negative, and are itself is an auxiliary. So children, aren't there. Aren't there. Example number 17. We drifted off to sleep to the lullaby of the backwaters. I will repeat the sentence once again. We drifted off to sleep to the lullaby of the backwaters. We itself is a pronoun, remains as it is. Given sentence is affirmative, it is negative. We drifted off. The given sentence is in simple past tense because we is a subject, drifted off is a second form of the verb. So given sentence is in simple past tense. So did. So did plus not plus we means didn't we. So children, I hope. Let us see once again these examples. Glance. I will repeat once again. A question tag is a short stylistic question used for confirmation, isn't it? Means yes or no. Confirmation means we expect answer yes or no. It is a short stylistic question used for confirmation at the end of only 2 types of sentences. One is assertive type of sentence and second is imperative type of sentence. For assertive type and for imperative type, we use this question tag, question tag. How to recognize assertive type of sentence? In assertive, listen children, for assertive type of sentence, we come across this type of structure. Assertive means subject takes the first place, then verb, then other words and full stop. Assertive sentence, subject, verb, other words, full stop. Assertive type of sentence. For assertive type of sentence, we can add a question tag. And second type of sentence children, an imperative type of sentence. We know in an imperative sentence, order is given, command is made, request is made, suggestion is given, advice is given. One clue for assertive imperative type of sentence, most probably in an imperative type of sentence, verb comes at the first place. Verb comes at the first place, that is mostly main verb auxiliary verb and it ends with a full stop. For example, go there. Go is a verb, it's an imperative type of sentence. Come here, imperative type of sentence. Write down, listen to it, pay attention, read the following extract. These are the imperative type of sentences. And for imperative type of sentence, children, most probably we have to use will you or won't you. For imperative type of sentence, we have to use will you or won't you. And for assertive type of sentence, three things are needed. To add a question tag for assertive type of sentence, three things are needed. Number one, for noun, use a pronoun. Let us look at the blackboard. For example, love. For example, children, love. Here, love is a noun. Love is working as a noun. For a noun, use a pronoun. So here, it has been used. For noun, use pronoun. Second requirement, if the question given sentence is affirmative, tag should be negative. Love gives us strength. It is an affirmative type of sentence. So NT, it has tag has been made negative. Children, N apostrophe T only should be written. Not should be written as contracted in a contracted form. That is N apostrophe T. Third requirement, that is we have to use appropriate auxiliary of a given tense of a sentence. Love gives simple present tense because love is working as a subject, give is working as a main verb. It is simple present tense and it is love is a third person singular. So yes suffix has been added. So children, doesn't it is a question tag for this example number 2. See, we have discussed these things, just I am revising. Be open in your communication. It is imperative type of sentence. It is an imperative type of sentence. Will you express your feelings? Imperative sentence because it begins with the main verb. Express. It begins with the main verb, ends with the full stop. See children, express your feelings. You should express your feelings. Assertive type. You should express your feelings. Assertive type because subject, verb, other words, full stop. You should express your feelings. Assertive type of sentence. Imperative, verb comes at the first place. Express, verb, your feelings, full stop. And we know children, for imperative sentence we have to use question tag will you or sometimes won't you. Express your feelings, will you. Same example, never give up. Children, never is a negative word. Never give up. It is also an imperative sentence. So, will you. These are two, example number 3 and example number 4 and example number 5. I will repeat once again. Example number 3, example number 4 and example number 5 are imperative type of sentences. Let us just glance example number 6. We have just seen it. We have discussed this also. Just see. Otto brought out another notebook. It's assertive sentence. It's not imperative sentence because see the structure. Otto, subject, brought out, verb, another notebook, object. Subject, yes plus V plus other words plus full stop. The given sentence is what type of sentence it is? Type of sentence, assertive type of sentence. So for noun, use a pronoun he. For noun, Otto is masculine gender, he. Given sentence is affirmative, tag negative, N apostrophe T. And Otto brought, simple past tense, subject plus second form of verb. The given sentence is in simple past tense. So didn't he. See children, next some of the example just we have discussed, just glance. He wasn't complaining. Assertive sentence, subject, verb, other words, full stop. Pronoun, he itself is a pronoun, he used. Negative sentence, tag should be affirmative, and was itself is an auxiliary, was he. It is a delicious moment to myself. It pronoun, it as it is used. Given sentence affirmative, negative, is itself is an auxiliary, so isn't it. It is a new beginning for us too. It is, isn't it. It's getting late, isn't it. Kantabai is the president of the Nalanda Bachat Gut. Kantabai, noun, use pronoun. C, affirmative, negative. Is itself is auxiliary, isn't. C. I am very happy. Here children, am plus not, aren't. Am plus not, aren't. I am very proud of you, aren't I. Aren't I. See, these are few more examples. He had sold 7 telephone systems. Past perfect tense. He remains he only. Hadn't he. He had taught history. Hadn't he. Banana is low in sodium. Banana, it. Positive, affirmative. Is itself is an auxiliary, isn't it. There are many points that make the banana a healthy option. There, positive, negative. Are itself is an auxiliary, aren't there. And last example, we drifted off. We remains we only. We drifted off, affirmative, negative. And we drifted off, simple past tense, so didn't we. So children, this is about a question tag. Okay children, thank you.